What's going on, everybody? It's the Grim Ripper, and we're back. We're about to rip open a whole bunch of different boxes of, let's see, we have Top Series 1 Blaster, Top Series 1 hangers, some Absolute, Donruss, Illusions, and we got this pack in from eBay. So let's get started with this, but first, if you can do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it. And I hope you're enjoying the content. And really, it's just about showing you what's inside all these boxes and stuff. And I like ripping them open. But let's get on with this first. And let's hope it is what it said it was. We got one pack, 2022 Topps Chrome Anniversary. Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. This is supposed to have the autograph card. I paid $29 for this. So we're going to do this one first. And let's see. Is there an autograph in here? I don't know how you don't open the autograph pack up. Unless that box was that good. It's got a backwards card. Yogi Berra, Mitch Moreland, and our autograph, Jackson Reitz, whoever that is. Well, it did contain the autograph, that's for sure. So I paid $29 for that card. And then we got that with it too, but whatever. I like that. Topps Chrome Platinum is like my favorite. 2022, 2023, it don't even matter what year. All right, first, we're going to do this. We're going to get into the Donruss. I haven't opened any blasters yet. Excuse me, the Megas were good. The Megas are really fun. I like the Megas. But I heard blasters are like all base cards. So we're about to find out. Go. All right, we're looking for Jaden Daniels. And we did pull two of his base cards out of here already. So we're looking for the Downtowns. Downtowns are out of here. Jaden Daniels downtown would be nice, but do they give you them anything in here in these? All right. Well, we got some color. It's probably those Elite Series or whatever. Elite Series. Darwin James. Those are not numbered. All right. A lot of cards in these packs. A lot of base cards. Looking like we're getting one special card in the middle. Let them help. Look at that. Really? Come on, Jaden Daniels. Let's make this rip worth it. Let me know what you guys are ripping this Friday. Do you have any plans for this weekend? And Kyler Murray. It's actually nice cards, though. Michael Penix. Put that to the side. Alright, looking for Jaden Daniels. Jaden Daniels. Or Downtowns. Any Downtowns would be nice. And this is just an all base pack. Got two packs left. Andre Bad Moon Rising on the back. Brock Bowers, throwback, rated rookie. He's a beast. Brock Bowers is a beast. Got to give him that. All right. Ooh, Kid Reporter on the back. Uh-oh, what does that mean? Jalen Hurts, PC. I pull all Jalen Hurts. Lad McConkey. Jared Verse. All right, nothing crazy out of there. Nothing crazy. So we'll sleeve these two up. I'm trying not to make this video too long, you know. Put these to the side. Put those up there. What shall we do next? Absolute? Because we have two illusions. Let's do absolute. Let's see if we can. I mean, I opened one box last time and we got the Bo Nix Kaboom. Let's see if we can get the Jaden Daniels Kaboom with just one box. Like, that's amazing when you can do it with one box, right? Let's get into this. Right, let's do it, baby. Let's get that Kaboom. Let's get that Kaboom. Any Kaboom, really, but let's get that Jaden Daniels Kaboom. Oh, man. Edging on that isn't too great, is it? Not too great. That's pretty much what we're looking for out of here, Kabooms. Is that a Bo Nix? Is that a Bo Nix? It is. Another Bo Nix. I mean, we pulled a lot of Bo Nix, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. But why can't we be pulling Jaden Daniels? You know? Tyreek Hill. All right. Yeah, they fully restocked. There's nothing crazy though. There's nothing crazy to really go for. It's Michael Penix again. By storm. And what's this? Ooh, that's nice. Brock Purdy. It's not numbered. It is not numbered, but that's a nice card. Look, it matches the stain on my hands. Come on, baby. Let's get that Kaboom. Yeah, we'll see any thick cards. Yeah, I didn't even know Kabooms were thick. Yep, never held one before. Nope, nope, nope. Come on, baby. Keep your fingers crossed. Any thick boys in there? Does that look thick? Look thick right there? Nah. What's the chances? Right. Johnny Wilson. Now, he has a few drop passes. He's like 6'7", 6'8". If you can just hold on to the ball. Bo Nix again. I have like 3 of these. And Stargazing. Michael Pratt. Yeah, Michael Pratt. Jesse Bates. Nothing's numbered. But with these, you're really just chasing the Kabooms. All right. So we got those two down. Let's see, what do we got here? Sleeve up this Michael Penix. All right. Now let's switch to some baseball. Let's do this blaster. I wasn't going to buy any more blasters, but they didn't have any of the hangers at the I got this at the Target. And the lady was there restocking, but no hangers, so I went to Walmart, and they had hangers there. So I ended up just buying this first, just in case, because I didn't know if Walmart stocked yet or not. So let's see if it's worth it. I just wanted something to rip. That's exactly what this is for. Let's go. Looking for some case hits. Whew, that was bad. Look for James Wood. Dylan Cruz. There we go. Speaking of the devil. Joe Connor, upside down. Michael Trout and James Wood. Christopher Morel, former Cub. Series 1 sucks. I never really did like Series 1. Uh-oh. What do we have here? We got Lane Thomas. Ichiro, if that was autographed, that would have been nice. And Brooks Lee. Yeah, autographed Ichiro. Be nice. Maybe we can pull an autograph out of here. Let's find out. So far, we ain't pulled shit. Absolutely trash. Imagine if your name was Nacho. Nacho Alvarez. Ken Griffey Jr. Can't go wrong with Griffey. Even though them are a dime a dozen. Aaron Judge. What do we have here? Spencer Steer on the rainbow foil. All right, now let's do the. We're gonna do the hangers. We're gonna do the hangers. We got 2 of these. So I'm pretty sure these are gonna be better than the blasters. So 2 hangers really is 1 blaster money-wise. I expect to get way more out of here than those blasters. We're gonna go through them. Get the hits. All right. Backwards Lindor on the Grapefruit League. These are them Diamantes. Well, I mean, you do get more in them, but you're not guaranteed to get anything good. And I only bought 2 of these. I didn't want to go crazy because I don't like Series 1, but I wanted something to open. I wanted baseball to open. I'm not getting that new prospect stuff. Just came out today. I thought about it, but nah. All right. Jackson Merrill. Too bad that wasn't an autograph. All right, we got some color in here. We got Juju Watkins on the first pitch. John Gray, Baltimore Orioles. Yu Darvish on the pink. It is not numbered. Jackson Merrill. Yeah, nothing going on. Nothing going on in there. Yeah, these tops are... they suck. Last but not least, Illusions. We're going for the Holo Heroes. Holo Heroes. I guess they're really hard to hit. But we've pulled all the other case hits, so why can't we pull that, right? Imagine if it was a Bo Nix. I mean, if we pulled one, that's probably who we would get. Go, baby. Oh. Get it started. All right. Haven't opened these yet. Jameer Gibbs. The green, they are not numbered. I don't know. It's hard to read the names. It's like black on gray, black on dark. Bam, baby. That one isn't hard to see. That one there is not hard to see. And these do have different levels, I guess. Let's see. These the ones with the different levels? Maybe not. But it's a Jaden Daniels. And from what I was seeing, when you pull like one team, usually that pack, you get like 2 or 3 of that team. And that's what it's looking like. Sam Laporta. So, hey, at least we got Jaden Daniels out of the way. Now let's get that case hit. Oop, we got Caleb on the back. Oh, that's a nice Joe Montana there. J.J. McCarthy. Just leave that up. Kyler Murray. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's the Abracadabra acetate. And then we got amazing Caleb Williams. That was a nice pack here. Let's leave these up. Don't know much about these abracadabras. I mean, it's put that in the picture. Yeah, it's not numbered, but it's Caleb Williams. That's a nice card. Yeah, they're nice cards. I mean, it's just the value isn't there, but the cards are really nice. J.J. McCarthy. All right. So far, so good. Better than I expected, to be honest with you. But that's because we did get the Jaden Daniels, Marvin Harrison Jr., Michael Penix, Bijan. Look at that. That's all green right there. Christian Watson. Look at that Max Crosby there. I don't know what that's called. I don't know. We're going to sleeve all these up, though. Yeah, it's got like some glitter going on. It's green on greens. Pretty cool. Greened out. And we got our rookies. Michael Penix. Marvin Harrison. All right, we got 2 packs left still. What the heck? Look at that. Oh, okay. This is another acetate. Kirk Cousins, Lamar Jackson, Derrick Henry, yeah, see. Baltimore. Bryce Young. CeeDee Lamb, Illusionist. And that one is not going to be numbered. So it's another acetate. And Thleen, however you say it. Caleb Williams, there we go. DJ Moore, Jordan Love, the green on green. Not bad. So we got the Jordan Love Watkins tandem going on. Another Caleb Williams. So that's the first box. This is the last box. Make sure you hit that like button if you're still watching. If you're still watching, I appreciate you watching. And we're going to see if we can get a Bo Nix case hit. We didn't even pull his base card out of there, which was surprising. Let's see what we get. Patty Mahomes on the back. Eagles whooped his ass. Derek Carr. Daniel Jones. Bo Nix. Ask and you shall receive. And this is green. So I don't know if, I mean, it's obviously different. So, yeah. Nice hit. Abracadabra. Patrick Mahomes. Again, the abracadabras are different. See that? All right. That's a fun, cheap rip. Well, I was going to say, is Middle Lake Neighbors going to be next? Yeah, we'll sleeve him up. I'm trying to get the lighting. It's hard because these cards are dark. See, you got to... Aaron Rodgers, Lamar Jackson. Look at that corner. If you can see it. Look at that corner. And Aaron Rodgers. I do not like Aaron Rodgers. Why does it look dark in there? Doesn't it look dark? Let's go with that maybe. Trevor Lawrence on the back. He's been a bust. I knew he was going to. Jalen Hurts, baby. A.J. Brown, baby. T.J. Watt. I'll give that to my friend Bill. That's a nice card. Brock Purdy. Why do we keep pulling Brock Purdy special cards? Abracadabra. It's all Brock Purdy. Brock Purdy. Abracadabra. So obviously the green or something different. League Neighbors, sleeve them up. Let's do it a little bit more. Bam! Best running back in the league right there. Saquon. Russell Wilson, Najee Harris, Brock Purdy, Christian McCaffrey, and Derrick Henry. Not numbered. They're hard to get numbered cards out of here. These are hard to get really anything out. I'm going to see CJ Stroud on the back. Patrick Mahomes leading off. Kelsey. What do we got here? We got something gold. All right, Gardner Minshew. I don't know exactly what that is. And of course, it's not numbered. And then we got Game Magician, CJ Stroud. Yeah, so, I don't know. Gardner Minshew sucks. Minshew sucks, though. No clue what that is. But, yeah, he sucks. CJ Stroud, he's still good. I don't care. He's good. He didn't have the season he did his rookie year, but nobody did. So, that's like saying Saquon Barkley's going to have the same year he had last year. It's going to be hard. Bowers, Crosby, Herbert. Yeah, that's it out of the illusions, but as you can see, we have a whole bunch of cards here pulled. So not too bad. Yeah, let's get back through everything. Do a little recap. Yeah, so we got these. I didn't even sleeve these up. That's PC. But, all right. Here we go. Bo Nix. Brock Purdy. Penix. Yeah, I'm just going to go through them real quick. That one's cool. Jaden Daniels. Bo Nix. There you have it, guys. This is Grim Ripper. Thanks for watching, and we're out. Peace.